Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. This week I'm back in the kitchen, but for a completely different reason. So today I'm going to show you how to make do-it-yourself all-natural dog treats with only 4 ingredients that I'm sure your pups are going to love. So I always love to treat my dog, and I always want to give her some snacks while keeping her healthy and knowing what I'm giving to her. And when you go and try and buy treats at the store, they're either really expensive or they have these ingredients that shouldn't even be in there. So I thought, why do I keep buying her these expensive treats when I'm sure I could make my own? So at the end of this video, I will definitely let her do a taste test for you so she can prove to you how much she loves these treats. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's get straight into this video and let me show you how quick and easy it is to make these treats for your dog. For this recipe, all you need is 3 cups of oatmeal ground up slightly, just so that it's not complete chunks and it's a little easier to digest. All you need to add 1 cup pure pumpkin, that's it, to your 3 cups of rolled oats. All right, so we got that in there. Then we have an egg. We don't want eggshells and neither do our pets. So add in your 1 egg. So now that those ingredients are added, the only other ingredient you have to add are your apple. So you need 1 medium apple. I have 2 small apples here that I'm going to use. So then you want to just add the apple in. So I'm going to peel it, and usually I grate it, but I'm currently in my brother's kitchen and he doesn't own a grater, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Probably just chop it up really fine and mush it a bit to be able to mix it in properly. Stay tuned for that. We'll figure it out together. So let's just peel this bad boy up. All right, so I have 1 apple peeled. I chopped up the apple really fine. We'll see how that works out instead of using it the other way. I don't see it being that big of a problem, but now that you have all your ingredients together, you mix it up and it should make a dough. Okay, so now you can see it really forms like a dough. So then all you want to do is take any extra oats that didn't get mixed up, use it instead of like a flour on your surface, and kind of just spread it out a bit. Okay, I usually start with about half. This does make quite a few cookies, so there aren't any preservatives in it, so they'll last about a week just like that in a container. So if you don't want to make a lot and you want to keep them fresh, I would say definitely half this batch. And then if you want them to keep longer, we usually just pop them in the freezer and then they're good to go. All right, so now that we're all ready, we have our baking sheet here, our oven preheating to 350 behind us, and our dough still pretty thickly just pushed out. Obviously you can use a rolling pin if you want, but we're not, but we don't have to be gourmet with these, obviously. And then I just take these and cut them. Before I had one of these, I actually would just roll them into balls like actual cookies and kind of just flatten them out a bit and bake them that way and give them to her. And then I saw this and I just thought it was cute, but you obviously don't need a cookie cutter for your dog treats. It's completely up to you. So just start impressioning those. All right, and then we just peel it away. If you find they are sticking to your table, it's obviously because you might be missing a bit of flour or oatmeal on the table. So I'd suggest just sprinkling a little more. That's what's kind of happening right now for me. So I could have used a bit more on the bottom. But otherwise, there's your treat. Good shape. As you can see, it's still a decent thickness. That makes it, making them a decent thickness, make sure that they don't dry out while they're cooking, because we do still bake these. So it just makes it a bit more chewy rather than a crisp for your dog. But also, depending on kind, some dogs prefer crispier over chewier treats. So you could definitely judge the baking time based on your dog's preference as well. So they don't grow or rise or anything. They really just kind of crisp up when you put them in the oven. So you can put them super close together and try and bake as many on one sheet as you can, just to save you on time of how many batches you have to put in. So that's one little set. I'll keep going on these and I'll show you when the tray is full and we're just about to pop them in the oven. So we're all done. It ended up making 30 treats. So like I said, if you don't want that many, definitely just half the recipe and there's no problem. Now we're gonna take these and just put them into the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Like I said, it depends how crispy you want them. I usually just put them in until they're a little firmer to the touch. And like I said, that takes about 10 minutes. So we'll do that, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're done, and we'll definitely go and do that taste test. Okay, so it's actually the next day. I'm here with my dog, Bo. She hates videos, but, you know, she's here for the taste test. Thank you. So she's really... I just showed her the container, and she kind of freaked out a little bit. Yeah, I will give you one. So here's her taste test. She clearly is only sitting here for this. Okay, you want it? This is really hard for her. She really doesn't like filming, but... So with these, I break them into pieces when I give them to her. You obviously don't have to, but she really likes them, so sometimes she eats them a little too fast. But you know. She's very delicate and very sweet with her treats. Okay, good. Because she knows that look at that face. Another one? I think that's a success. I think that goes to show you guys that she does like them. No more, that's it though. But you can come sit for the rest of the video. So there you have it. She likes the treats. They're super easy to make. If you make them, definitely let me know how your dog liked them, or if you modified it at all. Should I eat cookies while you eat cookies? Yeah. So definitely check out last week's video to make cookies so you and your dog can eat cookies together. It's a video on super quick swaps of how to make my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe into a vegan recipe. Then you can eat cookies while your dog's eating cookies, and if that's not a good way to spend your day, then I don't know what is. So don't forget, together let's make sustainability a joy to practice, and we'll see you guys in the next video. You did it! You want a cookie?